Hello Jim Tech, what's new product in from Skullcandy? We've got the new Crusher Crush Inequality headphones. Plus we got a little nice note here. There, you can pause that and read if you like. So if you're not familiar with Skullcandy and the Crusher, the last pair we did was the Evo, which come in this really cool bag which I still use, and these are a fantastic pair of headphones. And y'all know what this slide is for here on the side. Really cool stuff. So these were launched for a reason as well, and it's to write love on our arms. Inequality Crusher Evo wireless headphones, and a portion of proceeds will go to the Write Love on our arms fund, LGBTQIA plus mental health programs. So these have familiar features, so let's get the unboxing done and see what they look like. Really looking forward to seeing these in the flesh, as when we seen the announcement, the colours really do stand out, which is nice. So we're going to go through this one nice and slowly. So you open up the box like so, and we have that there. Okay, so inside you can see how to get started and all that kind of stuff, and don't forget you have an app as well on Android and iOS, which is cool. And you get this really cool bag, and also inside you have this little pouch and a booklet. So I'm just going to pop them down to the back there. So that's your user guide there. Let's have a look at the bits and bobs first. And that's what we get inside, all branded with the Skullcandy logos. None of these colours, which might be nice, but however, all is good. And you get a really cool leather case with this, and a nice strap on it there as well, as you can see. Pretty nice. Okay, let's get them out. And there we go. Let's have a look at these. So that's what they look like there. Really cool colours, vibrant, stand out a mile, which is something we like. And that's what they look like there in the sides. You've got your ratchet here, all love on the inside there on both sides. The colours of the cups are cool as well, as you can see, nice and bright, vibrant colours, and two different colours each side, which is cool. Soft headband for a strap, and of course your fabric up on top. And we've got a logo there as well. Skullcandy brand on both sides. Pops in and out, and your slider here is like so. And you have a different colour button here as well, which is really cool. And of course your other buttons here are as before. You've got your USB-C port and your headphone jack and your mics. So a quick comparison to the older pair. As you can see, they stand out a mile, and that's really like me headphones. So I'm one of those that like something that stands out and something that's different, and that's basically what these do here. So you can see the same ideas going on here, and there are no creaks, pretty nice. They twist that much there, and you've got flexibility here as well, which is really cool. So that's about it. So you've got 40 hours in total here. You've got the sensory bass adjuster, which is fantastic if you've not tried these already, and you've got your personal sound with the Skullcandy app. All your call and control functions are in here for your music. You've got tile built in as well, and of course they fold away to go back into the bag like so. And just see if there's anything else inside. No, and that's basically it. I do excuse the hoarse throat, as I've been unwell the last few days and it's kind of getting better, but we had to get this unboxing done and get them out to show you what they look like, and they are pretty amazing. Love the colour, great idea, and that's it for now. So review soon on techbuzzard.com, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.